you can do a lot more push-ups than you think you can, and I'm gonna show you how. So basically right now I'm gonna do just my max push-ups. Can't do even one more. Okay, I rested for a few minutes, and now I'm gonna actually show you how to leverage your muscle strength to the mental strength and actually be able to bust out more reps. It's quite simple, and it really can make a big difference. So the whole trick is pausing before muscular failure. And it is really important that you pause before muscular failure. Don't come close to it. So I have already beaten my record, and now I just add up. Whew. Yeah, quite a big difference. I didn't count it, but I'm sure I've beaten my record. And some other benefits are that your abdomen and your stabilizing muscles really work in this plank position. Also your shoulders while supporting you. Yeah, great full body workout pretty much, and you can really impress your friends. The thing about mental challenges is that they are really fucking painful. It's like someone was drilling a hole in your skull. So much pain. But you know what's the best? The feeling after you complete it. That's just incredible. So much satisfaction. Yeah, if you want to go further and actually increase your muscle strength to be able to do like 100 push-ups in one set, you will need to add some weight to your normal push-ups. That would be the easiest and fastest way to progress. You basically just put on a weighted vest or have a 20 kg plate on your back, and you bust out like up to 15 reps in a set. And then after a month or so, it will really improve. I mean, really. Weighted calisthenics is amazing. Yeah, maybe I should do a video about it. Reaching 100 push-ups in one set. Pretty badass, isn't it? If you want to see such video, just drop a comment and I will definitely do that. If you want to ask me for a tip or advice, you can find me and hundreds more young ambitious guys in the self-improvement community led by Hamza. I'm sure you know him. Link in the description. So many fucking bugs here. Like these black wasps. What the fuck is that? I'm scared of it.